All right, guys. So we will start in a minute. Let everyone join by then. All right, everyone. So most of you have joined, and we will start with the questions. So last classes we revised vectors, right? We revised vectors thoroughly, and this time let us do some questions, some typical questions first from the resultant of two vectors, and then we will see the questions from projection also. So before that, let me recall you all projection of vectors. We have completed already projection of vectors, right? Most of you would have remembered projection of vectors kya tha. Let us see it quickly, and then we will do questions based on this. So if we have a vector of length, let us say a, and if I want to project this vector along x and y, so this can be done by using trigonometry. ये theta ले लेंगे, and then this side can be found using cos theta, right? Cos theta लगाएंगे. What is cos theta? It is base by hypotenuse, so x by a. And similarly, if you use sin theta, you will get from this triangle that sin theta is equal to perpendicular, which is y, by hypotenuse, which is a. So from here we get x as a cos theta, and here we get y as a sin theta. So let us now make a general point that if we have a vector whose magnitude is a and it makes an angle theta, so in the direction where angle theta is made, that is having a cos theta, and perpendicular direction ये लें या फिर हम ये लें, it will be a sin theta. So this general point we will remember. So all can note them down, and through the poll let me know how many of you have any kind of doubt here. All right, so no doubt here, almost for all, that's right. So we will now do some questions from this. From the vectors, we will do the questions related to projection first. So today we have to finish the revision, and then we will start with dot and the cross product in the next class. Okay. So everyone, let us do this. Number 1. Find the magnitude of 2a vector minus 3b vector if a vector and b vector is given here. And whoever will be done, they will let me know in the poll here. Number 1, quickly all will do. Whoever will be done, they will let me know in the chat. Quickly, all will do. Only 30% of you have done. So this is very simple here. What we do, we just find out, we have been given A, we have been given B. So you have to find magnitude of 2A minus 3B. So 2A minus 3B, that will be 2 times A vector, right? A vector, what do we have? This is A vector. So I cap plus J cap minus 2K cap minus 3 times B vector. B vector is 2I cap minus J cap plus k cap. So when we add this, we get 2a vector minus 3b vector as, just see, 2i minus 6i, that will be minus 4i, and then 2j plus j, that is 3j, and then minus 4k minus k, that is minus 5k. So you all can simplify them and then add them. So you have to find the magnitude of this vector. So we have this vector. So how to find magnitude? Root of minus 4 square plus 3 square plus minus 5 whole squared. So you will get root for minus 4 square 16, 3 square 9, 5 square 25. So this will come out to be root 50, that is 5 root 2. So this will be the answer. Okay, number 2 now we will do. Number 2 part 1, 2 and 3. ये सभी का करना है and I'll call out the names randomly. So you should tell me the answers. But before that, all should do this and keep. Quickly, all will do this one. We have two vectors, A and B. You have to find magnitude of each vector, expression for the vector difference A minus B, and magnitude and directions of the vector difference A minus B. So I'll call out the names randomly, and today we should be able to do them. And whoever will be done, let me know the answer in the chat. So magnitude of each vector that can be found with ease. क्या होगा मैग्नीट्यूड? ए का मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होगा? √4² + 3². यू विल कैलकुलेट, गेट इट 5. बी का मैग्नीट्यूड क्या होगा? √5² + 2². So that will be √29. Expression of a minus b. This is very simple. Just take a vector ये है, and take b vector 5i minus 2j, and you have to find a minus b. That means subtract. तो a minus b क्या हो जाएगा? 4 minus 5, that is -1. 3 minus -2, that is 5j. So you have found the difference of a and b vector, minus I cap plus 5j cap. Now you have to find magnitude and direction of a minus b. यही तो निकाला हमने, a minus b. So how will we figure out its magnitude? Magnitude will be √1² plus 5². So that will be √26. And how do we get the direction? Now direction can be calculated with ease. We have seen the formula. ये formula याद रखना होगा. Tan inverse y component divided by x component. So this is the direction. With respect to x axis, you can write it. So either you can find the direction using angle, or you can find the direction using vector was equal to its magnitude into its cap. So this was the direction. So direction is equal to vector divided by its magnitude. So we have the vector. What is the vector? Minus I plus 5j. And we have the magnitude. What is the magnitude? √26. So ये भी direction हम mention कर सकते हैं. So before I move on, let me know everyone. Anyone who has doubt, they will let me know. Now we'll move to the next question. So we will do this question number 4. Yes, minus भी चलेगा. Question number 4 we will do. समर्थ, we will not take cos or sin. ये इस क्लास में क्यों पूछ रहे हो? फर्स्ट थिंग इज वी आर रिपीटिंग इट एटलीस्ट थर्ड टाइम, एंड ये हम लास्ट क्लास में जो किए थे वही प्रॉब्लम आज हम फिर कर रहे हैं. So again the same question. Last time someone else asked, now you have asked. ये थीटा है, we get minus I plus 5j. 5 is along y, 1 is along x. So how will we relate them? We will relate them using tan theta equal to 5 by 1. So that's why theta will be tan inverse 5. Now is this understood? So next one, number 4, all will do. So Samarth will give us the answer for this number 4. Let me know the answer, Samarth. Try it out. all will do quickly. Whoever will be done, let me know the answer in the chat. Yes, if the question asks for direction, you can give the answer in terms of I and j cap also. But you have to use that expression. Vector by magnitude is the direction. Quickly, all will do this one. No one has given me the answer in the so let us see this. बहुत ज्यादा टाइम हो गया इसमें. A vector given, B vector given, C vector given. determine A and B such that A into A vector plus B into B vector plus C vector is equal to 0. So let us put the values here. A into 6i minus 8j plus B into minus 8i plus 3j plus C vector, that is 26i plus 19j, and this is equal to 0 vector. So it's given that this is equal to 0. So let us find out. So this will be 6ai cap minus 8aj cap minus 8bi cap plus 3bj cap plus 26i cap plus 19j cap. Right? I have just expanded them. So these are in I. So I will take them. 6a minus 8b plus 26i. Right? They are having common i's. With j, I will combine them. Plus 3b minus 8a plus 19 j cap is equal to 0. So from here, if we want to find a and b, we get the two equations. एक तो ये equation है, and this is equal to 0 because 0 vector can be written as 0 I cap plus 0 j cap. So this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. So we have 6a minus 8b plus 26 is equal to 0, and then 3b minus 8a plus 19 equal to 0. So this one, who have not understood, let me know that, and whoever have understood, now all should find out the values of a and b. Quickly, let me know in the chat whoever have not understood this. Okay, some answers I can see. I'll check them. But this answer especially Rohit and Adarsh will give us. Try solving it, guys. Rohit and Adarsh. इन दोनों इक्वेशन को जस्ट सॉल्व करना है. Okay, 18 by 13 and 32 by 13. Let us check. So the better way to solve is to make the coefficients same. तो ये है 6a minus 8b plus 26 equal to 0. दूसरा क्या है 3 minus 8a, यहाँ लिख देते हैं, plus 3b plus 19 equal to 0. So I'll make the coefficient of a, let us say, same. तो a का coefficient same बनाने के लिए, or you can do one thing, you can take one equation, यहाँ से a solve करके निकालेंगे इससे, तो क्या निकलेगा 8b minus 26 by 6. So this will give a as 4 by 3b minus 13 by 3. And we'll take this value of a here and put in the second equation. So minus 8 into a, that is 4b by 3 minus 13 by 3 plus 3b plus 19 equal to 0. तो इससे हम सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमारा रिजल्ट क्या आएगा, क्विकली लेट अस सॉल्व. माइनस 32b प्लस 108 plus 9b plus 57 equal to 0. So we get minus 21b is equal to 161. So b will be 161 होगा, yes. So b will be 161 by 21. So let us cut it by 7. तो b हमें मिला 23 by 3. इस b को यहाँ पुट करेंगे, हमें a मिलेगा. We will get a as 4 by 3 times 23 by 3 minus 13 by 3. So this will be 23 into 4, 1192 minus 13 by 3. So we get 79 by 3 as A. Right? So just check with the calculation, guys. You should get the answer, but the process should be understood clearly. The most important thing is the process should be understood very clearly. नेक्स्ट वन, हो सकता है ये कैलकुलेशन, हो सकता है यहीं पर कुछ मिस्टेक हो, बट once you get to this two equations, you should be able to find out the result, right? So at home find out these results. Number 4 हम करेंगे quickly, all will do. Quickly, all will do, guys. Just a minute. All should let me know the answer. All right, guys. So here we have a vector. Only three answers I can see, guys. All were supposed to do this one. Let us see. A vector is directed along the y-axis. ये बना दिया x और ये y. A is directed along y-axis and B is directed along a direction making an angle 30 degree north of east. Both are having units 2 2, right? दो यूनिट हैं दोनों के, A vector और B vector के. Then you need to find A vector minus B vector. So first I can write A vector as 2j cap. So first tell me, ये कितनों को समझ में नहीं आया? 2j cap कैसे लिख सकते हैं? कितनों को ये समझ में नहीं आया कि A vector we can write it as 2j cap? Okay, all have understood. So B vector has magnitude 2. So I want to convert it in vector. So what I will do, I will project it. इसका projection इधर क्या होगा? A cos theta. So A is 2, theta is 30 degree. And this vector's projection here will be A sin theta. So we can write B vector as this is along positive x direction. So 2 cos 30 degree I cap plus 2 sin 30 degree j cap. So let us simplify and write B vector again. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it will be root 3 I cap and j cap. इसको simplify करेंगे तो हमें क्या मिला? A vector is 2 j cap, B vector is root 3 I cap plus j cap. So before heading ahead to do the questions, let me know first whoever did not understand this A vector and B vector, how to determine it. Let me know everyone here. Let me know, then only we will move ahead because this is very important. ये तो हम directly put करके निकाल सकते हैं. Okay, now once we have found A and B, so number 1, let me know the answer. Shreya will tell us answer for number 1. Amruta will tell us answer for number 2. Adarsh will tell us for number 3. And Akash M will tell us answer for number 4. जल्दी जल्दी, बस यही जो जो नाम है बस वही क्वेश्चंस करने हैं. Rest all guys also you can message me your answer. I am checking. Okay, Adarsh says root 3 I cap minus j cap. B minus A. This is correct. So all other guys, Shreya, Amruta and Akash. A minus B. Just subtract A minus B. A को यहाँ रख दिया, B को subtract कर दिया. So 2j minus j, that is j cap minus root 3 I cap. इसको चाहे तो हम ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, minus root 3 I cap और j cap के आगे कुछ नहीं है, that means plus j cap. We get for A minus B minus root 3 I cap plus j cap. A plus B क्या होगा? A plus B का just add them. ये j cap common add हो जाएगा, so 3j cap plus root 3 I cap and A minus 2B. So first make this 2B. ये 2B बन गया and you have to do A minus, so 2j minus 2B, that means minus 2 root 3I minus 2j. So ये कट गया, बचा क्या? minus 2 root 3 I cap. Okay, all of you understood this? Very simple, this one. So we will do the next question now. अब इस क्वेश्चन को सभी को ट्राई करना है, जिसका भी आंसर पहले मिलेगा we will start discussing it. जल्दी से, all should try. Quickly, all will do guys. चलो एक आंसर मिला, let us discuss. Vector A. व्हेन एडेड टू वेक्टर बी, तो a प्लस बी क्या दिया हुआ है, ये दिया हुआ है, लेट अस राइट दैट. So A when added to B yields a resultant vector that is in positive y direction. ये पॉजिटिव y डायरेक्शन में है, दैट मीन्स इस वेक्टर का कुछ मैग्नीट्यूड होगा. लेट अस टेक द मैग्नीट्यूड एज k, so it will be k j cap, right? And has a magnitude equal to that of b. Okay, मैग्नीट्यूड भी दिया हुआ है, तो k has magnitude रूट magnitude of b क्या है, रूट 3 square plus 4 square, that is root 25 and this is 5. So we have got the value of k according to the information given here. Has a magnitude equal to that of b. Find the vector a. यहाँ से vector a निकल जाएगा. a क्या होगा, ये सारी चीजों को हम राइट साइड में ले जाएंगे. So 5j minus 3i minus 4j. So we get a vector as 5j minus 4j, that is j minus 3i. So we get a vector as minus 3i plus j cap. Very good, Samarth. And Tejas as well. And Varsha as well. All the answers are right. इस अगर हम मैग्नीट्यूड की बात करें, ये वेक्टर निकल गया. अब क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इज मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए, वो मैग्नीट्यूड निकल सकता है रूट ऑफ दिस स्क्वायर प्लस इसका कोएफिशिएंट 1 है, सो 1 स्क्वायर, सो दैट इज रूट 10. ये क्या हो गया, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर ए. राइट, ऐसे वेक्टर में नहीं छोड़ना है. क्वेश्चन आस्क्ड इज फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए, सो फाइनल आंसर वी हैव टू गिव. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. आज हम सिर्फ लास्ट डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं रिजल्टेंट एंड triangle law and then projection का. Next class we will start the other steps in vectors. All should do, guys. सभी कोई करेंगे जल्दी से. Quickly, quickly, all will do. Yes, yes, I know my video is on. How to find the displacement? डिस्प्लेसमेंट कैसे निकालते हैं, यहां से ऐसे यहां तक गए, ये हो गया हमारा डिस्प्लेसमेंट. इफ आई एम गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, दिस इज आवर डिस्प्लेसमेंट. मोशन चैप्टर हमने कंप्लीट किया है ना. यस, इट इज 3 डायमेंशनल. तो पहले देखो क्या है, पार्टिकल गोज 12 मीटर्स अलोंग ईस्ट, इधर जाता है 12 मीटर्स, एंड देन 5 मीटर्स नॉर्थ, फिर यहाँ से 5 मीटर्स नॉर्थ गया. तो ये डिस्प्लेसमेंट मिल जाएगा हमें 13 मीटर्स यूजिंग पाइथागोरस रूल. लेट अस फॉरगेट ऑल अदर थिंग्स. 13 मीटर्स इधर मिल गया. and 6 meters vertically upward. अब यहाँ से 6 meters upward गया, तो जब upward जाएंगे तो ये 90 डिग्री होगा, right? So this is 6 meters and you can find the hypotenuse and this will be the displacement. That will be root 13 square plus 6 square. That is root 169 plus 36. That is root 205. This much meter is the displacement. They have asked the magnitude of resultant displacement. Is this clear to all? How we figured it out? ये clear है सभी को? Guys, at least some of you tell. Unmute and tell.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, clear.
All right.
Clear.
And let us do this one. Now this is quite advanced, but all should try now. अभी अभी हमने क्वेश्चन किया डिस्प्लेसमेंट से रिलेटेड, जहां पर भी है we should try to get a three-dimensional figure. We should try to break if three-dimensional figure is given into two dimension and apply Pythagoras theorem in right angled triangle. जल्दी से करेंगे इसको.
Sir, how to do this?
भाई पहले ट्राई करना है ना, तुरंत थोड़ी पूछना है. ट्राई करो, जैसे हमने लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया था ना वैसे ही करेंगे. चलो इसको करने से पहले एक ये पहले कंप्लीट करो. ये मैंने यहाँ पर कुछ लेटर्स लिखे 5 5 3. whoever can annotate they can annotate here. मैं ये 3 लेटर लिख दिया. एंड who can create a dog from this picture? ठीक है चलो करो. What is this one? ये तो किसी एंगल से डॉग नहीं लग रहा है. एटलीस्ट थोड़ा भी मॉडल्ड होना चाहिए ना. Anyone else who want to annotate and try? No one? चलो मैं ही कंप्लीट कर देता हूँ. कंप्लीट करना है, लिखना नहीं है. है ना, ये थोड़ा लग रहा है, ये थोड़ा सा लग रहा है, बट इससे पहले जो बना था वो बिल्कुल नहीं लग रहा था. चलो लेट अस सी दिस क्वेश्चन. पर्सन गोइंग फॉर अ वॉक फॉलोज द पाथ. कहाँ से स्टार्ट कर रहा है? ओ से. ऐसे गया, फिर ऐसे गया, फिर ऐसे गया, एंड देन ऐसे गया. This is the displacement. All should agree, right? This is the displacement. So how we can figure out this displacement? you have to, this is just a normal geometry, mathematics लगाओ इसमें. You have to find this distance, the length of this path you have to find here. जैसे लगाना है, जैसे देखो, first we will see the concept of vectors, how we can use and do it very simply. So this displacement is equal to this vector. तो a वेक्टर क्या हो गया 100 i कैप. फिर क्या हुआ, फिर b वेक्टर हो गया, b वेक्टर नेगेटिव y डायरेक्शन में, सो -300 j कैप. c वेक्टर, now you do not have c vector along x और y डायरेक्शन, so you need to project it. प्रोजेक्ट करने पे एक कंपोनेंट इधर आएगा और एक कंपोनेंट इधर आएगा. सो ये कंपोनेंट क्या होगा 200 cos 30 डिग्री, राइट. ये कंपोनेंट क्या होगा 200 sin 30 डिग्री. तो यहां से सी वेक्टर हमें मिल जाएगा, क्या मिलेगा -200 cos 30 डिग्री आई कैप, and then -200 sin 30 j cap, right. We have to take the vectors along x and y, then only we can use I and j. That means we have reached till this point. अगर मैं इस सारे वेक्टर को ऐड कर दूं, right, that was the triangle law. a वेक्टर है, b वेक्टर है. if I want to find displacement, I can get the value of a plus b. मतलब दो वेक्टर को ऐड किया तो मुझे रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर मिल गया, और रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड ही हमें डिस्प्लेसमेंट देता है, राइट. सो नाउ सिमिलरली व्हाट यू कैन डू, यू कैन टेक दिस b वेक्टर, इसका मैग्नीट्यूड एंड प्रोजेक्ट. तो इधर हो जाएगा अलोंग नेगेटिव x, इधर हो जाएगा अलोंग पॉजिटिव y. So it will be 200 cos 60, right, to the direction where angle is made, that is cos. इधर हो जाएगा 200 sin 60. Now you can write d vector, क्या लिख सकते हैं -200 cos 60 I cap, and then plus 200 sin 60 j cap. So if you add all these vectors, अगर मैं a plus b plus c plus d add करूं, so I'll get the resultant vector. Resultant क्या होगा, यहां से यहां, right, this will be the resultant. So if I get resultant, let us add it. पहले तो मैं c वेक्टर को सिंप्लीफाई कर देता हूँ. cos 30 is √3/2, so it will be -100 I cap, 100 √3 I cap, and then sin 30 is 1/2, so this will be -100 j cap. d vector cos 60 is 1/2, so -100 I cap plus 100 √3 j cap. So let us try to add them. add करने पे क्या मिलेगा, I cap को पहले ऐड करते हैं. 100 I cap minus 100 I cap, this gets cut. So we have only -100 √3 I cap. Minus 300 j cap minus 100 j cap, that is -400 j cap plus 100 √3 j cap. So 100 √3 minus 400 j cap. So ये resultant vector मिल गए हमें. If you find the magnitude of this resultant vector, you will get the displacement. So this square and then this square. This is one way. Another way what we could have done, we could have used simple geometry here. Let us use simple geometry because we just need to find the length of the line joining initial to the final point. ये वाला length निकालना है. So I'll keep constructing. ये यहाँ पे connect किया. So this is 100, right? ये 100 है तो ये भी 100 होगा. And this is 200. So 200, इसमें trigonometry लगाएंगे. ट्रिगोनोमेट्री लगाया तो ये साइड कितना आया 200 cos 30. जिनको याद नहीं है वो याद करेंगे. in the direction where angle is made, it is a cos theta. So 200 cos 30. So we can get this distance, right? We can get this distance. So what will this distance be? 200 cos 30 minus 100. So let us simplify. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So this will be 100 root 3 minus 100. And this is this distance. Well, you can find this distance also. क्या होगा this distance? This distance will be 200 sin 30 degree. Now we can figure out this distance as well as this distance. And once we have got this distance, we can figure out this distance, right? ये distance कितना मिला था? वही ये distance होगा. 200 sin 30 that is 100. तो ये distance मिल गया हमें 100. And this distance, can all of you calculate? या फिर एक काम करते हैं, we have this distance, right? We have this distance as 300. So from this distance, we will subtract this distance and we will get this distance. And we have this distance. So in this right angle triangle, we can find out this hypotenuse. So you could have seen guys, इसमें हमने ज्योमेट्री लगाया बट काफी ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट हो गया. So it's better कि हम ये वेक्टर अप्रोच लगाएं फॉर सच काइंड्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. इट्स वेरी क्लियर कि यहाँ पर मुझे वेक्टर लगाना है. इज दिस अंडरस्टूड? देखो ये क्वेश्चन जो है इसको भी हम वेक्टर से कर सकते थे. अगर मैं मानता नॉर्थ वाई डायरेक्शन में है, ईस्ट एक्स डायरेक्शन में है, तो अपवर्ड अगर जा रहे हैं तो वो जेड डायरेक्शन में होगा, राइट? सो इट गोज 12 मीटर्स ईस्ट. मतलब पहला वेक्टर क्या है? 12 आई कैप. एंड देन 5 मीटर्स टुवर्ड्स नॉर्थ, that means it is 5 j cap, and then 6 meters vertically up, so it is 6 k cap, right? Z direction को k cap से करते थे. So you have to find the magnitude of resultant. तो total vector क्या होगा? A plus B plus C is equal to 12i plus 5j plus 6k. So this is resultant vector. That means this is representing the displacement vector. So magnitude, if you find, it will be root 12 square plus 5 square plus 6 square. Try to calculate. 12 square 144, 5 square 25, 6 square 36. इसको ऐड करेंगे तो हमें यही रिजल्ट मिलेगा. Is this understood to all? How this gives same result? तो अभी तक जो हमने किया ये सभी को समझ में आया? Okay. So now let us meet in the next class and let us start with the dot and the cross products of two vectors. All right, everyone. All right. So see you all in the next class. Bye, everyone.
Sir, what was the answer for the last question? Was it 10 root 18?
Last question, 10 root 18. देखो इसका निकाल लो, ये वाला.
Yes, sir, this one only.
Yes. ये 100 में बाहर निकाल देता हूँ. So it will be 10 root 3 square, that is 3 plus root 3 minus 4 whole square. So this will be 10 root 3 square will be 9 and a minus b whole square you have to do. So it will be 3 plus 3 plus 16 minus 8 root 3. So that will be 22 root 3 or 22 root 3 2.9 दिया हुआ है. 22 minus 8 root 3 क्या दिया हुआ है? This is 2.9 its value. So answer will be 10 into 2.9, that is 29 meters. Okay. All right, everyone. See you all in the next class.
Bye, sir.
Yes. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.